How to log into Qatar Airways Privilege Club. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Qatar Airways Privilege Club account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser. Then head over to the search bar and then search for Qatar Airways Privilege Club login. After that, hit enter and there you should find a lot of different options. So here you can see the Privilege Club's website. So here you can see the benefits that the Privilege Club provides, and you can explore that out from this page right here. It's qatarairways.com/en/privilege-club.html. So yeah, you can see all the benefits that the membership gives you. And to log in, what you can do is there you'll see the login option or the login page for Qatar Airways. You can simply open that up. There you will see privilege club slash login page.html. Now all you have to do is enter your email address or your membership number. So enter up your email address or your membership number and then simply type in your password. After you do that, you can tap on login to simply log in into your account. Instead of that, you can also log in using a Google account. And if you have forgotten your email or password, there are options to reset them as well. And that's basically how you log in, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.